Hello, it's a great day for singing, so let's get started. When I was teaching a student of mine recently, a more senior student, she's in her, I'd say, early 70s, I realized that as a fairly new student of mine, that she was unsure about some of the things that she was singing in her exercises. She really needed something much, much simpler so that I could teach her both a little bit about music and what she was singing, but also get her voice going. So I wanted to start a new series of really, really simple exercises, short, it's not going to be long, where you learn a little bit about music if you don't know much, and where you very gradually begin to warm up your voice. So this exercise is 1, 3, 2, 1. And for those of you who don't know, we sing in Western music anyway, using triad and octave, and that kind of a scale. In Western music, Eastern music is something different, but we're talking about what we hear mostly on the radio, and it's based on this. 1, 3, 5, 8. And that's the first note in a scale, the third, the fifth, and the top, which is the octave. So I'm going to play 1, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to show you on the left side here me doing this at the piano, so you'll see how it looks. And the exercise that we're going to work on vocally now is going to be just that. 1, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to do it on yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Very simple, very easy, and in the easiest part of your range. So I'm going to play like this, and I'm going to sing for the first while. Then I'm just going to play, and I hope that you'll sing along with my playing. Here we go. Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Good. I hope you did that with me. Now I'm going to go up just for a few notes. Then I'm going to start it just with piano and you'll sing. I hope. Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Okay, so now you've got the gist of this exercise. It's very simple. It's not in a difficult part of your voice. I would call this speechy singing. It's where you talk. So I'm going to go down now. I'll sing the first one with you, and then you're going to be on your own. Yeah, 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 yeah. Low for women. One more. Okay, I'm going to take us back up again. I'll sing the first one, then we're going up. Don't go too high. If it feels that you're straining at all, stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now we're going to go down. You ready? Whoa! Sorry about that. Okay, so it's a very simple exercise. You've learned that you're going 1, 3, 2, 1. Right now I'm in the scale of C, but you don't need to worry about that. This is the first note, This is the 8th note, which is the octave above in the key of C. And I'm using 1, 3, 2, 1. The first note, third, second, back to the first, as a basis for this really simple vocal exercise. Just one more time, you're going to hear it. And here's the whole chord. 1, 3, 5, 8. Don't worry too much about really understanding this. It's just to kind of plant a seed in the brain of those who don't know music too well. And a lot of us don't, so don't worry about it. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. And bye-bye. I wish you great singing. Bye-bye.